So hot. Yeah, really hot. Let's find a shady place to take a nap. Oh no! It's burning! You guys! Wake up! Oh no! What should we do now? Set fire drop quickly! We need help!
Hey, what's the matter?
The weather's so hot. We are exhausted. Can you help us?
Hey, spray cool water on them.
I'm out of water. Think of something else.
I have an idea. Bring the materials to me immediately.
Yes! New house! Thank you, sir.
No problem. Glad to help.